Want to create your very first iOS app, but not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we will add the resume, pause, and the game over VStat. Anywhere after lines 108, add the following: VStat, button, action, let's type in pause.toggle. So when the user clicks the button, the game will be paused. For our button text or caption, we need to add a text element, pause, and resume. So lines 115, what this does, depending on the state, it will either show pause or resume on the bottom caption. You just add some style to the font, to the title, which is title 2. And as you can see, pause is now displayed on the corner left, on the left hand corner, which is here. The foreground color white, dot padding, background, grey, dot opacity, 0.7, and that's for a semi-transparent background. It can't find grey, so it seems like we have to use color with dot grey. Dot corner radius, is 10, and it's for rounded corners of the bottom. Add a spacer to push the button to the top. But the spacer is in the wrong place. It should be anywhere after line 121. Also need some padding for the buttons container. Let me give it a padding of 20 just to see what it looks like. And then we also create a pause overlay. So just type in if pause and display the text. Pause. Then we can copy lines 116 to 119. And that should be large title. Color.white stays the same. Opacity, that should be color black. And then we just need some padding. And then the next thing we need to create is our game over screen. Our game over VStack. Game over. So if game over is true, then display this VStack text. Game over. Font dot large title dot foreground dot white dot padding button action. We also need to implement a restart game method. We'll do this next week or tomorrow. So just comment that out to add a restart method. And then for the button caption, we also need a text element. With the word restart. And I'll just copy lines 129 to 132 again. The font type should be title, the color, Foreground color is white, padding, background color is color.green, and then the corner radius is 10. And also we need to add padding to the button, padding, and then we just add a background color, which is color dot black dot opacity 0.8, and that is a semi-transparent black background. And then we just need ignore for edges, ignore safe area for all. So the view will extend to the edges. So now let's see if we can show the game over screen. I mean VStat. So if I change game over to true, let's see if the preview refreshes. With my MacBook, it is so slow. It shows it a little bit, but that should be more centered. But we can fix that in next tutorial. So please comment, like and subscribe if you haven't done. And see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.